Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel where we help entrepreneurs succeed in their businesses. Today, we're going to talk about the top 5 most successful small businesses. Running a successful small business can be challenging, but these 5 businesses have proven to be profitable and sustainable. So, let's get started. Number 1. Accounting and bookkeeping. Every business needs to keep track of their finances, and not all business owners have the time or expertise to do so. That's where accounting and bookkeeping services come in. Number 2. Consulting. As a consultant, you can offer expertise and advice to businesses in a variety of industries. From marketing and human resources to finance and strategy, the possibilities are endless. By providing valuable insights and solutions, you can help businesses grow and succeed. Number 3. Online retail. With the rise of e-commerce, starting an online retail business has become more accessible than ever. By selling products through platforms like Amazon or Etsy, you can reach a global audience and generate significant revenue. Number 4. Home-based businesses. Running a business from home can be cost-effective and convenient. From freelance writing and graphic design to daycare and pet sitting services, there are countless home-based businesses that can be successful with the right approach. Number 5. Food trucks. With lower overhead costs than traditional restaurants, food trucks have become a popular option for entrepreneurs in the food industry. By offering unique and delicious cuisine, food truck owners can build a loyal customer base and generate significant profits.